Again.
What's up, Mavs?
Very cool video. We have some Christmas DIYs with only paper. All right, let's begin.
So the first DIY is bookmarks. Okay. Scissors, a Sharpie, a mini hole puncher, some tape, some cardstock cut into rectangles. You can make them long or short, some ribbon, stickers. So we're gonna start off with a hole puncher. You gotta do the same thing to the side too. If you mess up, just cut off the edge a little bit and then just do it again.
Or you can just get a new piece of paper and be wasteful, like me.
And then you just decorate it however you want.
Alright, look at this. Look at this bad boy. I made this.
Yeah. Fire.
I'm ashamed of what I've created.
Shut up. So you just take the ribbon through the hole that you punched, and then you just tie a little knot.
Yas. Slay queen. Yay.
Going on to DIY 2, which is origami.
Yay.
Yes.
You're gonna need a perfect square. Just a piece of square.
And then for me, you're just gonna need like a rectangular little strip. First, you're gonna fold it in half, like so. Then you're gonna bring the corners in, kind of like that. So it should look like this, almost like a house. And then you're just gonna fold the edges, make sure they're even. And then there you go, you got a little heart.
Alright, so this is how you make a paper butterfly. First, you're gonna fold this into 4 little thingies. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold these into little triangles. It's gonna go up to here, you're gonna have this little strip right up here. And you just cut it off. You don't need it. It's lame. I want it. And then you're gonna do this on both sides. So for this one, you would do it on this side right here. So now we're gonna have an 8-sided square. We're gonna take 2 of these squares, like so. For example, it's gonna look like this when it's all done. Just gonna fold 2 of them inwards, like so, and take the other 2 as well. You're gonna make a triangle. It's gonna be a really cool triangle. Then you take one of the sides and move both of these up, like so. Oh no, we got it. Now, you're gonna take the other side of the triangle, you're gonna fold it all the way back and a little ways up here. Fold it. Try to fold it as far as you can. And there you go. It's a little paper butterfly.
Yay!
It might not be much, but it is, in fact,
Okay.
a butterfly. Yeah, it's a butterfly. Now you can also fold these in so it has a little wing action.
So show it again, like this. You can the palm.
There you go.
There is nothing better for a gift than a classic letter. So what you're gonna need for this one is a piece of paper. It can be lined or just any piece of paper. Pen, pencil, Sharpie, an envelope to make it nice, and optionally a sticker to help close up the envelope after it's done. Okay.
Hi, Mia. What do you have for me?
Hey Daniel, I got you a little Christmas gift. It's not much, but it's a letter.
Wow. I even like the little bear hamburger on the back. Let me open this to see what happens. Oh, it also has a to and from label. Wow, so considerate. Let me open this bad boy up. Dear Daniel, thank you for helping me on Mavision. You stink. XOXO, Mia S. Thank you, Mia. I appreciate this wonderful gift. I am now going to take this and never give it back. These are all the DIYs that you can make, thanks to our very creative mind. Very creative.
Yay!
Yeah.
So even if you're on a budget, guys, there is always a reason and there's always a way that you can give someone a gift. Even if it's made out of paper, it'll still mean something to somebody, whether it's a letter, a piece of origami, or even something as plain as a bookmark. So it's the thought that counts at the end of the day, not the dollar that paid for it.
Yeah.
Alright, so
She said.
Merry Christmas, Mavs. Have happy holidays.
Happy
Have
New
fun,
Year.
Have fun on that break.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, bye, Mavs.
Bye bye.